So this is actually a test stream. So for this test stream, I'll try to create a what do you call this? A program, web app. So I think I will start now. I will be trying to I'll be trying to create a image to PDF converter. So I might not talk a lot while streaming, but I will be I will try to answer questions every now and then if there are any. Radial buttons. These are the buttons that go and go when they are pressed. They will be like on how like a what do you call this? On the mobile phones. So once you press the button, it would be popping out the menu. I just thought of this one earlier while I was going home. So let's start with the drag area. I'm not sure if I remember this correctly. I think I do. Yep. So let's use a div for this one. In the ID, drag dash area. So let's create the CSS for this one. For now, we will be setting a background color so that we can see when we are going to do some modifications. Viewport height, the width is 100 viewport width. So let's try this one. Oh, it has a margin and padding. Let's remove those. Okay. It seems to work now. Okay, there we go. So this is our drag area. Next, we will be making the container area. Let's change this to zone. Let's go back to area. So the container area will be the ones that would contain the images. I think. Or maybe I think I'll have to place wait a minute. I think I'll have to place this one. So the drag area will be the area where the files, I mean the images, will be placed and dragged on. Meanwhile, the container area, maybe I should put the drag area also in the container area. or maybe it maybe I should put this as web app. Then I'll put the drag area inside the web app like this. Then I think I would the web app is the entire web app. I'm planning to make this one a single page app, so the container will be the area where will be for the entire web app. So drag area would appear whenever a file or images are being dragged on the available screen area. Then I think I would have to make another div here. I want to remove the words area. I'll make this drag zone. Then image holder, img dash holder. Image holder or imgs. Image file holder. Image file holder. So I would like for the image files holder to have the same as the drag zone with regards to their dimension. Let's change the color into, wait, what was that? What happened? Why is this RGB? How do I put this back? What's happening? Oh, that's why. Let's use different color. Let's use this one. Let's hide this one for now. Or maybe the opacity. Nah, let's use visibility. Okay. So this is our area. Let's try again. Okay, I think it's already at the back now. Let's try to make the image files folder. For this one, I'm going to try and use grid. I think grid is a better choice for this one. And also I would like to learn how to use grid, so I'll use grid. Display grid. Then let's make some I forgot how to ing file 3. Yes. Oh, times 3. Oh, okay. So for now, let's make the image file. I'm not sure, so I'll be using 150 by 150 px for the height. Oops. For the width, another 150 px. So we now have, I think, 3 image files. And I have also, wait a minute, the background color. So blue. Let's check. So here is our I think it has a, I don't know. Let's consult Google. Let's study this one. Wait a minute, what's the other one? Okay, let's do this. So we are going to design this one, primarily focusing on this is going to be a mobile first approach design, so it's a bit cramped, but I think this will do. So let's start by, what's this? So an HTML element becomes grid container when its display property is set to grid or inline grid. I don't know what's the difference, so let's see. So there is a bit of a history here. To get started, you have to define a container element as a grid with display grid. Set the column and row sizes with grid template columns and grid template rows, and then place its child elements into the grid with grid column and grid row. Similarly to Flexbox, the source order of the grid items doesn't matter. Your CSS can place them in any order, which makes it super easy to rearrange your grid with media queries. Imagine defining the layout of your entire page and then completely rearranging it to accommodate a different screen width, with only a couple lines of CSS. Grid is one of the most powerful CSS modules ever introduced. Okay. So the element on which display grid is applied is the grid container. It's the direct parent of all grid items in they have an example over here. Next is the dividing line that makes up the structure of the grid. So grid line, they can be either vertical column grid lines or horizontal row grid. Let's see. So we have our image file. So this one has a grid. Okay, so let's try and play with the settings. Where is the it's actually like, I think it's like how it was with Flex. It has these properties, but I don't think that it's already here, since I have to do this one first. So grid template columns, let's copy this one. So image holder, auto. So we are hoping that this would be, I don't know what happened. Oh, I don't understand why. What's happening? So we have they chose inline grid. Meanwhile, this one is grid. So what's the difference? Padding 20. I don't get it yet. Grid item. So the grid item has a border padding, font size, text, and line. Nothing special. And then display grid templates columns. I don't know why it doesn't work. Image files folder. Oh, maybe it's... No, it's still there. So why? Why is it like this? Why is our grid? Let's try padding. Maybe padding. But why? Oh, it's sticky. Oh, that's why. It's because we have a specific width. Okay. Okay, that's why. We have a specific width, so that's why. Oh, I think no, let's try. I don't remember this one anymore. CSS even. What's the pseudo class? Oh, and child even. Okay. I only need this one. Let's pick olive green. There we go. Now we can see the grids a lot better now. Let's remove this one. Let's put padding instead. Okay, there we go. It fits. But this is not the output we want, so let's dig deeper. Okay. Column gap, row gap. Oh, I can customize the column gaps. So it's also placed in the container. Column and row gap. Okay. So maybe gap is for both if you would be using the same. So let's try 10px maybe. Yes, let's try 10px for the meantime. Okay, there we go. Let's put padding in the image holder. Oh, we have a problem. I should not have done that. So the image files holder, the drag zone, and where was it? The web app. The web app is the one that's supposed to be. Okay, let's create the property for the web app. It's the one who's supposed to be the view, the one with the viewport with. Then this two here should be person, I think. Oh, it doesn't work. Why? Padding. I placed padding. Maybe it was margin? Nope. It's not margin. Oh, it's supposed to be here. I forgot. Padding. Padding. Still fail. So the web app is let's remove the gap for now. Still the same. There was a WebKit. Where's the WebKit fill available? Dash fill dash available. Let's try this one. Not working. So the web app, the problem is this one is position absolute. Maybe I shouldn't position this one absolute. So let's try again. Okay, there's a little bit of improvement, I guess. Put margin here. There we go, a bit of improvement. But why is it? There's a ghost. Let's put folder here. Wait, what's that? The drag zone is hidden. The web app is showing us something. What is that? Margin 10 px. The height is okay. The width is not okay. So why? I'm actually sleepy. Okay, a bit of improvement. Oh. So let's... Or maybe it's because of this one. Nope. What if I do this? Oh, doesn't affect it at all. If we remove this, so we should not put padding at the bottom. The drag zone is actually behind. The web hub is also the same. There's a ghost in the CSS. I cannot find it. I think we need to use WebKit fill available instead of 100%. Okay, let's put the divs back. Okay, there we go, it's fixed. But the problem now is, well, WebKit fill available doesn't have. Where are you from, bro? I'm from a Southeast Asian country that is near the seas. How about you? I don't know how to pronounce the first part of your name. Aries. So I have this one now. Albania. Oh, I have heard about Albania. It was from a beauty pageant. The one with a short video wherein the candidates shout the name of their country. That's where I heard Albania. It was alongside with the video that I think it's the same video where the candidate from France also shouted the name of their country. Oh, thank you for the support. Thank you very much. Thanks for the support. Do you like programming also? Rows. Let's see what will happen if we do this one. Oh, it made space for the. Oh, amazing! I like it. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. I like this one. So it's now a square. I like it. So let's try. Oh, what would happen if? I wanna see. I don't like this. I would like to see if the images are. I would like for the image holder to have overflow scroll. Okay. But I don't think that it would be enough, since the grid auto adjusts the height for us. So let's explore a bit more. So we have learned grid template columns and also the gap. Okay, so far so good. Next, let's proceed to where are we? Grid items. All direct children of the grid container automatically become grid items. So they have grid columns and also grid rows. You have column gap and the row gap. Okay. What other properties are there? Oh, you can arrange it shorthand. That's nice. Okay, grid lines. The lines between columns are called column lines, and the lines between rows are called row lines. Place a grid item the column line 1 and let it end on column line 3. So what would happen? Oh, it's like the cells in Excel, they have been merged. So I think that's the function of it. Item 1. Then the rest, they will be pushed at the bottom. I do not need that one. What I need is or maybe I'm not sure if grid area, what's this? Oh, it's a shorthand name for the column start and column end. Specifies how auto-placed items are inserted in the grid. What's this? Where's the show demo? Oh. I don't get it. Let's try another one. Row gap, we have that already. Template, grid template. Okay. Oh, you can name grid items. Grid container, grid line, grid track. The space between two adjacent grid lines. You can think of them as the columns or rows of the grid. Here's the grid track between the second and the third. Second and the third row. Okay. Grid area. The total space surrounded by 4 grid lines. A grid area may be composed of any number of grid cells. Here's the grid area between row, grid lines 1 and 3, and columns. Okay, grid area. Items of item. Grid cell. The space between two adjacent items is a cell. Properties for the grid parent. Jump links. What's this? Oh. Display. Truck size, line name. What's this? Space separated list of values. The values represent the truck size and the space between them. FR. Oh, I think I made a mistake. So the grid area, where is it? The image files folder and the web app. The web app should always be the 100% screen size. So the width for this one is okay, still available, but I think the height we should use fit content, and it got this right. Nope. So when do you use grid? When should you use grid? I'm not doing it correctly. Oh, there's a... Okay, okay. Grid template areas. Oh, they can even do this one. Oh, that's amazing. That's amazing. They can do this now. But my problem here is it doesn't adjust. This one adjusts. Oh, I should have not used grid. I should have used inline grid. Okay, let's use inline grid. Where's our... It should have been inline grid. Inline dash grid. Let's say it again. Okay. Let's do defeat content again. It doesn't work. Let's bring back this one. Nope, that's too much. So if the padding is only 20%, oh, 20px, let's see. So why? So you're telling me that it only needs the height? Let's try and give it a height, temporary height. Okay, then let's add this one. Our goal for today is to finish the scrolling. Oh, what did I do? Okay, it's done, guys. It's now scrollable. So this is how our images will be. I think it's better if it's square, but I'm not sure how to do it yet. So this is a good progress. I like it. I just don't understand how this grid template roles are supposed to work. The rows are not even working now. Let's try and see if we do this one. Okay. It actually auto adjusted itself. But that would not look good with the file, so we have to choose a square like figure. I'm just not sure how to make it perfectly square. So even has a padding, so 165, that's the high width. So 2020 40 115, so let's use 115 here. Okay, we have a square now, but we have to calculate this one since here we have 10 px of padding. Then we also have 10 px for the gap. So let's do this one with gap. So we have 10 px times 2. This is for the this is for the padding, the outer padding. Then 10 px for the gap. Then 20 px for the padding of the div. Then we have 100 viewport height. It failed miserably. Viewport height 100 viewport height minus, or maybe 100%. Nope. Became 40. The height became 40. It has to be viewport height. It doesn't work. Let's consult Stack Overflow. Oh, what's this? Oh, it should have been max height. Let's do it. Max height. Minute, what was that? This is only the padding. The height didn't work. I think let's solve this one on another time. I'm starting to get hungry now. Let's bring back the height. That was 115 px. So there we go. Let's refresh. So for now, I think this is good enough for me. I think I'm pretty contented with the output. So let's try a different device. Oh, it looks ugly. It looks ugly. I don't like it. I think I still have to study. It's just too complicated for now since we are still new with this one. We are still trying to study. So I guess that's it for now. We have this one now. I'll be uploading this to my GitHub repo so that I can save it with a different backup. I guess that's it for now, guys. So chat, see you next live stream. If you want to get notified whenever I'm online, you can subscribe to my channel so that you can get the notification whenever I'm going to stream. So I guess that's it for now. Maybe I'll watch TikTok videos for this one so that I understand it better. It looks promising, so I'll study this. There's a lot to study. Oh, you can. Oh, I can specify instead of auto. You can also do this one. There's a lot to learn. I'll save this one. Okay. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for staying with me. And this is stream. So see you next time.